Hi loves, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Babyliss, and today I'm going to show you how I transformed this old wig into a blue bob using the watercolor method. So starting out with this old wig that I previously dyed blue, I'm going to spray the lace with Got To Be spray so that it protects it from the blue dye. Using hot water in the container, I'm going to take Kisses. I believe this is Sapphire. I'm going to link it below to be sure. My camera was not trying to get it at all. So I'm just going to take this dye and pour it into the hot water and mix it and add the hair. Since I knew I was going to be cutting this wig into a bob, I used the ends of the hair to test to see if it was the color that I wanted. And it was. But guys, don't forget to use your gloves. Like me, I forgot to put on my gloves and I did not want the blue color to dye my nails. So make sure you're doing that. When you're putting the hair in, you want to make sure that the water and the color is just saturating the hair. It dyes pretty fast, so just be sure you're moving the hair around and getting the dye in the places that you want it to get your desired results. Now I do add more dye in between the coloring method just so that I can get some of the places that it missed. I really wanted to focus in the middle of the hair. When I previously dyed the hair, that was one of my main concerns, was the middle part not dyeing enough. So my main target in doing this was just targeting the middle and being sure that everything was even. So I did get the desired results. You can see the different hues of blue throughout the wig. So I was very, very excited and I was happy with the results of doing the watercolor method. Guys, let me tell you, I used every little piece, every little drop of dye that was in that bottle to achieve this look, okay? I mean, I rinsed that bottle out and it came out so lovely, guys. I'm so in love with this blue. Turning the wig inside out, I place it back onto my mannequin head. My mannequin head is old, guys, so do not judge her. And I take basically I made this mixture a long time ago of how I tinted my lace. I believe because the hair was still wet, the lace was still wet, it was not really trying to take as well as it normally does. But it did tint it, a little better than what it was. Now guys, this is a old wig, okay? So the lace in the front, so forth, it really had to be reconstructed, guys. So it was a process, and I'm okay because I came out with the color that I really wanted, and that was my main goal. But I could have done this, it would have looked way better on a brand new wig. So I'm going to maybe later on try to upload a video of doing it on a newer wig. I just wanted to transform this wig and show you that if you wanted to do this at home with an old wig, you're able to do so. Just experiment, have fun with the color. So just laying the hair out, styling it. I want a middle part. So I'm just styling the hair. Oh guys, look at that color. Now I am going to flat iron the hair. I'm taking it section by section and doing what I believe they call is the chase method. Spraying it with some oil Sheen or any kind of blow drying spray of your choice that you want to use. I'm parting it in sections and flat ironing it. Let's get to the cutting section. So what I did is I took the wig off of the mannequin head. I placed it onto my head and I just cut it to where I wanted my bob, or how short I wanted my bob to be. I did want mine to be about maybe shoulder length, just right on top of, sitting right on top of my shoulders. So I just cut that first with some scissors, and it was a challenge, guys. I am not an expert on cutting hair. I just did what I had to do to get it done, okay? And if you see my wig cap on, do not pay attention to my wig cap, guys. If you notice, I had a wig on just before I finished this. So what I did is I just took my wig off, and my wig cap was still in place, so I just used the same wig cap. It was all an experiment, okay? I was just experimenting with the whole process. I really didn't think it was going to come out as good as it did. I was just like, let me just try this. A pair of clippers. I'm just going to go through and be sure that the hair is lined up. Just try to get rid of some of the choppy areas that the scissors created, and just giving it that straight across look that I was trying to achieve. That is it, guys. The wig is done and it is ready to be installed. Guys, I'm so happy with how this wig came out. I will be doing the watercolor method more often. Just stay tuned, guys, because I'm going to get down. Look at this